Hey guys, I'm on the way to the airport now. Final destination, Marmaris in Turkey. And this is my travel guide on how to travel for 36 hours. For dummies. It's our number one. Just checked in, went through the security gates and everything. Just waiting over here, waiting for my flight. It's a lot harder than you might think to find a quiet spot in the airport. Anyway, so I think now I'm just going to go on my iPad, download some ebooks, get ready for the flight ahead. It's hour 3, we just arrived in Johannesburg. I'm meeting Marco, Katie and Holly here, which is exciting. But yeah, so just gonna grab my bag now and get checked into my international flight, and I'll see you guys again. It's hour 20, finally got my bag, feeling all frustrated, but heading to check in now. Hey guys, so 5th hour, 31 hours to go. Security, great. I've met up with everyone. Spirits have been lifted again, because I get to see this one again.
And me, obviously.
Yeah, I guess I get to see Marco as well. Hey guys, hour 5.5. We've got 30 hours and 30 minutes left to go. It's quite, I don't know, Holly, how are you feeling about that? 30 hours. 30 hours though.
Yes, but it's exciting.
Yeah, it is pretty exciting. Marco, are you not entertained? But yeah, so we are killing a bit of time waiting for our flight to board. We are having beers and obviously the girls are having water. Exciting.
Dihydrogen monoxide.
So we are currently hour number 7 and we're currently boarding. So it's hour 7 still. We are sitting in the plane, we've boarded, we're all ready. Mostly gonna sleep, watch movies and listen to music. I'm pretty excited, moods are high. We're not bored just yet, but I'm sure we will get bored eventually. Holly suddenly got a massive smile on her face. Very excited. We are on hour 16 out of 36, 10 hours left to go. We just woke up from a not so good night of sleep. But
Your breakfast is coming.
yeah, and breakfast is coming, but we're feeling quite tired. Breakfast looks great. It's sunrise. So, hour 17, we just arrived at Frankfurt airport. 29 hours to go. How do you feel about that? Wait, 29? Yeah, 29. It's still a while. But yeah, gonna connect. Next flight is in 5 hours. We have reached the halfway mark, 18 hours done, 18 hours to go, and we just decided to get ourselves a beer here in Frankfurt, Germany. And yeah, that's probably the best way to spend your time here. And Holly got tea, Holly being Holly. See you guys at hour 19. think we're just gonna chill and just relax before our next flight. Cheers. Okay, it's hour 23 now, almost a full day of traveling. We have, what, 36 minus 23 is, I think it's 13, no, I don't know. We have a few hours left. We are feeling quite bored at the moment. We're waiting for our flight here by the boarding gate. But we're keeping ourselves entertained pretty much by eating.
And watching people.
And people watching. People watching is probably the best thing ever in a foreign country. But yeah, so waiting to board. Should probably be in the next hour or so. Hopefully the flight's not late. And Holly's eating all the fudge. It's hour 24. We're boarding. Okay, we're still hour 24 boarded on the plane. Holly's keen. We're all very keen now. This is our second last flight. So, hour 26 and lunch has arrived. We're quite keen. Gin and tonics as well, obviously. Hour 25. Passport control. Baggage claim. Passport control went well. Much smoother than expected. These girls are tired. I think the overnight trip's catching up with all of us. So we're very keen for a good night's sleep tonight. But one more flight, almost there. Okay, it's hour 30 and well, we're drinking beers again. Katie's birthday today. She had a piece of cake. But yeah, after 30 hours of travel, we're really excited to get there. 6 hours left. I think Holly's the most keen to get there. Yeah, 6 hours until we get to the boat. Hour 31, waiting to board yet again. Our last flight, so that's exciting. Holly's very excited.
Juicy. Travis.
Marco, are you excited? Okay.
I am. Yee! So excited. And just
We're keen to get this trip over with. Successfully boarded our last flight. It is currently 8 p.m. local time. So that means I think we're arriving there at 11 p.m. So we still have 3 hours to go. It is hour 35. We just arrived from Istanbul in Dalaman. 1 hour car trip left, and then we should be in Marmaris to get on the boat. We're tired, but excited. Hey guys, so hour 35 and a little bit. We just made it into the car, 1 hour drive, and then we should be there. We're all very excited.
Yay!
We are very excited.
Those are the faces of excited people. And overly exhausted people. But should soon be there. And hour 36. We've made it. We're here aboard the boat in Marmaris. And well, it's amazing. Really, really excited to be here. And yeah, we're feeling really tired. We wish we could go join the party now, but I think we're gonna go sleep rather and catch up tomorrow. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, I know it's a little different, a little weird, but if you enjoyed it, leave a thumbs up, subscribe, would really appreciate it, and I would 100% suggest that you guys stick around to see what happens next. Cheers guys, bye.